Hello and welcome. I decided to dedicate some time to a few small projects that I've been putting off, but these are projects that I desperately needed to do. In this segment, you see me packaging some radish seeds I pulled last summer, as well as some Chinese pink aster seeds. These pink Chinese aster seeds are so tiny. And now it's lunchtime. A friend was so sweet to bring me a hamburger, French fries, and some blueberry lemonade. My next chore is to tack all of the dog toys that have been torn to pieces in the last 6 months. Here you see me fixing a little reindeer. The next and last project you see me doing is I'm removing the rope holders that I made for these cinnamon ornaments. for this last year's Christmas tree. Plan to reuse these ties, Lord willing, for the next Christmas season. Although I have much more I need to do, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have a great week, and I'll see you soon.